How to hide Active Now activity status on Instagram. If any day you are an Instagram user and you would like to hide your Active Now activity status on Instagram because you would like to remain offline on the very Instagram application out there, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You can find the very Instagram application by going to the search icon on your mobile device or manually finding it by just scrolling left or right. After you find the very Instagram application, you have to tap on that. After you tap on the Instagram like this, you can see that Instagram will be launched. Now you have to go to your profile like icon on the downside and then go to the three lines on the top. After you go to the three lines on the top, now you have to go to the option of settings and privacy. Now after you tap on settings and privacy, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to just scroll down and until you have to find the very option of messages and story replies. After you find the option of the messages and story replies, you have to tap on that. After you tap on that, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of show the activity status. After you tap on show the activity status, it will see an interface like this. Now if you enable it like this, it will show you that you are active on the very Instagram, but if you disable it like this, it will show you that you are not just active on Instagram. So this is the way on how you can do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.